Hi, I'm Janine Hinkson, Design Studio Manager of Dwellings Barbados. From penthouses to townhouses, from residential to commercial, we do it all. Today, I'm going to show you how you can make more money with your rental property. Short-term rentals like Airbnb and HomeAway are the fastest growing trend in real estate. With websites like these operating 100% online, your photos are the storefront for online shoppers. To get renters to click and choose your property, you need to create the ultimate living scene. Today, we are touring a recently completed project that is solely an investment property for short-term rentals. This property is located on the south coast of the island, which is the ideal location for renters who are looking to catch the next big wave. This is what inspired the design for these apartments. When designing a rental property, it's important to consider your target audience as well as the local surroundings in order to create the perfect experience. Once we have a concept for the design, we create a visual mood board in order for the client to get a better idea of how the apartment will look. The next step to paradise is for us to simply drive up, deliver, and transform the room into a surfer-approved space. To create the ultimate surf pad, we automatically thought of bringing the beach home. Beautiful blue hues like the sea and pops of green like the palm trees. We also wanted to introduce natural wood elements reminiscent of driftwood on the beach. The perfect surfer's paradise, truly targeting young couples who are looking for a sweet spot to relax before heading to the beach. In the living room, we created a relaxing lounge area to cool down and unwind after a long day. By introducing a pull-out sleeper sofa, we added a bonus of an extra sleeping spot for any additional guests. We added a console table that's a great multi-purpose piece, perfect for resting keys, but can also be used for any renter who might want to do some work on their vacation, or simply browse hotspots they'd like to check out on island. We tied in the surfer feel by introducing simple but bold decor pieces in our blue and green theme, like the modern print, bright pillows, and a fun accent chair for a big impact. Renters then step outside to their breezy dining area with views of the lighthouse and sea. We kept these pieces fun and colorful to create an expanded living space from the living room. We maintain the color palette and theme into the bedrooms. In the master, the driftwood finish of the furniture contrasts beautifully with the bright and fun accents like the by the sea throw pillow, the sea glass lamp, and the coral accent rug. In the second bedroom, we gave the client the bang for his buck that he wanted by having a bedroom with an option to either be a king bed or 2 twin beds for added sleep space, giving renters options they will truly appreciate. Just remember that creating a memorable and well-designed space makes all the difference in getting those extra bookings. You need to keep your furnishings consistent with your rental rates. That little bit extra you spend up front can add up to 10 times more bookings. Ready to get started on your next project? Contact the Dwellings Design Studio today.